Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to me the Fatah. So today I will present my final year project 2 on demonstration on the title Fire Alarm System with Camera Detection. So the project was prepared by me, Muhammad Rashidi bin Muhammad Ronzi, and supervised by Sir Muhammad Kamaruzaman bin Muhammad Zaidi. So first thing first, I will proceed with introduction. The destructive caused by the fire can kill within a few moments, cause injuries and permanent disfigurement, and inexorably destroy everything in the vicinity. It is because security system can detect abnormal and dangerous situation to notify us. The objective of this project is to detect and extinguish the burn area immediately and give a notification to the user through social media to provide a real-time video of the situation. So this is my introduction, basically just intro my project. So next I will proceed with problem statement. So my problem statement is it has sometimes to been impossible for we to detect the earlier phase of fire. The second one, the victim of fire incident does not have the information about their house condition. So from this problem statement, I will create a project to solve this problem. So from the objective, the first thing, to detect and extinguish burn area immediately, which is less than 1 minute. To update the information get from all the sensor and device to user via social media in any time. So next, flowchart. This is how my project work. So start. So user need to open the Telegram to start the machine. So basically the Telegram will have a start button from there. Just user need to press the button start, and it will start. The flame sensor will ready to detect fire. So if the flame sensor detect fire, it will the system will on the buzzer, and it will send a message, alert message via Telegram. It will open camera to confirm the presence of fire. If the fire also detected by the camera, it will on the water pump. So at the same time, user also can view the real-time video via VNC viewer. Thanks. So this is my findings or result from my project. The detection of fire using camera was successfully developed using FOCV. The image of fire was detected just in the box there, the fire detector. So next, the flame sensor. This is the flame sensor can detect the presence of fire, and the buzzer will turn on the flame sensor when it detects the fire. This is the buzzer module. Next, the notification has been made to notify user using Telegram when the flame sensor detects the presence of fire. The water pump, it also has successfully created to extinguish the fire when the camera detects the presence of fire. Next, the user can view the current situation or real-time video via VNC viewer. So we proceed to the project analysis. For this test, I'll proceed with two types. I already tested under the bright light and low intensity light. So this is how my project go out when. So under the bright light, the camera was detect the fire, but it consumed 5 second delay. Under a low intensity light, the camera also can detect, but with 10 second delay. So the flame sensor detectable whenever they put in into condition mentioned. So the output device also work well under bright light or under a low intensity light. For the buzzer also turn on the both condition and water pump also. So from the test, this is the analysis. Everything worked well, but the detection of fire, image of fire was detected, but low intensity light take longer time to detect. So the flame sensor can detect the present fire whenever they put in the both condition mentioned. The buzzer also turn on when the flame sensor detect the presence of fire. The notification work well using Telegram to notify the user. The water pump also can extinguish the fire when the camera detect the presence of fire. So this is my demo video. So wait. Assalamualaikum. So today I will demo my project on fire alarm detection with camera detection. So I will start using Telegram. So the start button here. So you will start. So there's the start button from the Telegram. So and it will extinguish the fire. So the system work well. So the user need to connect to Raspberry Pi to view the current situation. So this is when I need to log in the Raspberry Pi from VNC Viewer. So this is the view. So the view also include the frame, which is from the camera. So that's all. Thank you. So this is my demonstration video. So next, I will proceed with the limitation of this project. Detection fire under the low light intensity take a longer time to detect under bright light. The detection fire under the low light intensity take a longer time to detect than under a bright light. The flame sensor distance also can be triggered within 0.8 meter if the intensity of the flame is high. So the detection distance will be increased. So the detection angle of the flame sensor also is about 60 degree. So there's a limitation. So it limited only 60 degrees. So the next one is the water pump. In this project, just can extinguish a small fire. So basically, I need to detect a small fire from a candle. So in demonstration, if the scope of this project also, it will put the system in the kitchen. So small fire, I can conclude here is from a stove, gas, what they call it, the gas tank, or or something, I don't know. So uh, for this project, I only use a candle, so I use a small water pump or 5 volt water pump only. So this is my recommendation for this project to be upgraded or to be used in the industrial zone. So the flame sensor will be replaced with an industrial flame sensor such as FSL 100 to upgrade the range of detection and wider angle of detection angle. So the FSL 100, it has a quite good from the range of detection and the wider angle of detection. So basically we need about 100 or 120 degrees to from view to detect a fire in a room or in a small area. So we need to install this system quite a lot for whole office or industrial zone, factory, yeah, just like that. So replace with the water pump with a real water sprinkler. This is what I recommend because my water pump in a small size, we can only extinguish a candle flame or from a lighter flame. So this project can further be used in a wider range of surroundings such as office, industrial zone and other place that fire incident is usually occur. So next, using a deep learning method for better accuracy such as FastRCNN and YOLO V4. So when I say deep learning, my project use a Raspberry Pi 4, so it will consume a lot of time to detect and quite slow to process it, execute. So I only use a Hall cascade method to detect the fire. So from this, I will say it better to use a deep learning for better accuracy. So the last one, the conclusion. In conclusion, the fire alarm system with the camera detection has been successfully developed, and the objective with the requirement of this project have been achieved. This project was developed based on detection of fire using camera and sensor to detect fire in our house. So that's all from my demo presentation. Thank you.